feel like ang idea ko is merong problema yung mga babaeng ganun. Kaya I don't wanna generalize, ha? Na parang they have something going on.
Yeah. And like bro, like they say the more a girl tumaas yung body count nila, right? It like makes them hard to make an actual connection in a relationship pag yung body count nila mataas.
That's fair, I think. Kasi I feel like parang ang hirap na maging serious nun, bro.
Yeah, cause like bro, like
You've been with a lot of guys, man.
yeah. So sa akin naman, bro, I support kung ano man gusto ng gawin ng mga tao nowadays.
Yeah.
We live in a free country, right?
Yeah.
But kung yung mga gagawin nyo, there's always consequences to that.
Tama
So like,
yun.
if you
Tama.
want to do that kind of lifestyle, don't expect to find like a person na yung parang
Okay dun.
yung okay sa ano.
Yeah. Kumbaga, yun yung consequence
Kasi kung
ng
ano yung
ginawa mo.
lifestyle mo, that's what you're gonna attract. Type
Law of
thing.
attraction. Yeah,
Yeah.
tama.
So, yeah. Parang yun lang.